What's up guys, this is Ariel, and finally I'm gonna make a new video. This can be my 1000 view special because that's insane. Like, when I did my 200 view special, like the next day I got 300, like, what the frick? So okay, let's do this. I'm gonna learn how to do the Grumble Volcano thing, rock hop. We're gonna learn how to do the ultra shortcut and that just the shortcut. Just wait me to get there. I also now have two stars, which is actually very good. Oh fudge. Okay guys, wait. This can take a while. We should first learn the ultra shortcut, so you'll get very fast. If you want to do, I'm just showing you the easy way for this because the faster way is harder. So first, die in this lava pit. Then, aim yourself to the last brick, like this one, and yeah, to the rock, shoot, and trick, and you're done. Now that's the first part. The second part is you have to go to this little space where I'm standing. Then go around the rock. Then you have to go to that peak that you see here, where I'm standing. Then if you go to that crater again, that little space, we'll count the rock. Now let's learn how to do the rock hop shortcut. I feel this is going to be a better video, because it's longer. In the end, I'm explaining it actually well. So it's more specific. You guys don't need to watch this part. First, you go here. Aim yourself to that middle thing. If you don't see it, it's like to the left. You see. You just see it, like aim yourself from the two diamonds, like in the middle. Then just shoot 'em, and you're done. If you feel like that, don't worry. If it spawns in here, if you're not close enough, it won't. So that's the video, guys. Wait, I shouldn't end it. I should tell you one more thing. Wait guys, like really, thank you for 1,300 views, because I never got that. I thought I would get that when I'm like 100 subscribers, because that's insane. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm holding my iPad with my thing. I'm also getting an Volcano HD card, making my bits. First, line them with this rock to the right of this. Then just shoot it, and if you hit it, or get super close, then you'll respawn there. That's all guys. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Also, I'm sorry Mathrix for controversy yesterday. Can you please forgive me and give me the shoutout? Okay. Now, bye guys. I hope you have a great day.